Let me make the 44th Street for you. 44th Street begins with a little ice in the glass. We're going to use equal parts of brandy and dark rum. Parts meaning an ounce. I'm going to use 2 parts of brandy and 2 parts of dark rum. My jigger that I'm using is an ounce on one side, ½ ounce on the other. We take both and we mix thoroughly into the cocktail shaker. Then you realize you forget the sour mix. And you apply some sour mix. My fault. So yes, we use 2 parts of brandy, 2 parts of dark rum, and some sour mix. As you can see, we have a chilled cocktail glass. Chilled cocktail glasses are much more nicer to pour in a cold cocktail. Find your strainer, strain into your cocktail glass. You have the beginning of your evening, 44th Street. Enjoy.